In this video, we are going to see how we can get the voice chat feature and enable the voice chat in all of the games on the Roblox mobile app. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just open up the Roblox application, and on the bottom right hand corner, you see this more icon. So you choose that, and from here, we head over to the settings. Here's settings, and we click on account info from here. Now, before enabling the voice chat feature, you have to make sure that your profile age is verified. So if you fall in the age group of 20 or plus or 13 or plus, you need to verify it with your ID or your facial recognitions. Once you verify your age and birthday, you can now enable the voice chat feature. So first of all, just make sure of that. So you can choose any of the methods like uploading your ID or undergoing facial recognition that is inbuilt in the Roblox application. So once we do that, we will either head over back to the main menu, or we can change the menu from here. So on the top, we click on this and click on privacy and contents restrictions. From here, we can see this communication option on the third. We click on that and we head over to the experience chat. So basically, recently Roblox has changed this feature to experience chat. So you need to make sure that to chat with your friends on Roblox, you need to enable or toggle this on in the experience chat, and you also enable it in the direct chat as well. So you go back and it will automatically be saved.